Hi, I'm Will Braden with Sunstream Boat Lifts, and today I'm going to run you through the operation of one of our Sunstream SunLifts. The first thing you'd want to do before running the boat lift is, if you have one, raise your garage door. Next, you're going to want to locate your handheld remote. Looks like this. If it's a new boat lift that we've installed, you're going to find two of these, either inside the white hydraulic box or on top of the white hydraulic box. Next, you're going to press the down button on the handheld remote, and you're going to run the lift down to an easy position where you can board the boat. Once everybody has gotten onto the boat and you've started it, you can lower the lift the last little bit just until the boat's floating and reverse. And off you go on your boat ride. Upon return from your boat ride, you're going to position the boat on the lift and raise it slightly so it's not floating around. At this point, everybody is going to get out of the boat, including the driver. Then you're going to double check that the boat is in the right spot on the lift and correct if necessary. Last step is to raise the boat lift all the way to the top. When it raises all the way to the top, it locks over center, and that's how we want to store the boat on the lift every time. We know the lift is at the full upright position when it stops at the top. There might be a slight rocking motion and the motor pitch sound will change.